Fire. Simpson! How does he do that? I'm okay. What the? Wait a minute, I'm getting ahead of myself. I'm Ryan. I'm a businessman, and I bought this shop because, because my friends like it, and we always went. Anyway, this is Doc. He's been my business partner for quite a few years. He convinced me to buy this shop, and mainly I only bought it because I have to live with him, and he never throws anything away. Nope, boxes. This is Chef. This shop was actually his restaurant at one time, and this is his kitchen. He was just such a good friend, I didn't have the heart to throw him out. So, yeah, this is Jack. He's a firefighter. This is Jack's truck, which he can do tricks on. And we just need the money, so we let him rent a room. He stole my room because he needed a room with a backdoor access. Yeah, I'm really just being... Yeah, here it is. What the... How did I get in there? I mean, seriously. How did I... How? It's just as confusing. What the heck? What the... What's going on in there? Nothing that you must be concerned in. By the way, I'm waiting for a phone call. You're sitting right there. And here would be my phone call. Hello? I got some news for you. Just tell me it. Gosh. Oh, somebody's getting ready. What the heck? Yeah. Look, just give me the... Anyway, we need to turn this into a business. I mean, I didn't waste $5,000 on nothing. True. I mean, seriously, we have a soda dispenser, we have a chef, we have a firefighter in case things go wrong. Anyway. Yes, but I think we need to turn it into a nursery. No, we are not going through that again. Well, you do have to admit, that... wait, what is that? Come on! Dude, what's the matter? Just shut up. What the... Dude, sit. Is it safe? I'm gonna stay in here till it is. How do you do...